What's up guys, Trev here, and today I am taking a look at the newest Hot Wheels Redline Club release. It is the 94 Honda NSX, and this is the light up NSX. I am excited to have this. I'm going to open it up, take a look at it. Back in 2023, we had this really awesome NSX. You push on the back here and the lights come up. This was a tribute to Ryu Asada. This was based on his actual NSX that he owned. It looks amazing. It was a really nice release, a really cool tribute, and we have a second version now. This one has been sitting in my display cases for a while, so the battery has gone dead on it, and I'm probably gonna have to cut away and charge this one up because I haven't even taken this out of the package. All right. So, 2 boxes. Now, the Ryu one was packaged in a special, like, circular case, so this is different packaging for it. You have this outer box. There is some legal stuff. I imagine you're going to get a blurb about the car here. It is in spectraflame Auto Blue. That's what it is called. So, this has, I imagine this is going to have the charging cable. Yes, it does. It is USB-A. It's not USB-C. We're still stuck in the past. I'm pretty sure because this has a USB-A, so keep that in mind. And this slides out. Not riveted in or anything. You just slide that out, take the car out, and there you go. Let's take a look at it. So they did retool this because you'll notice the light bar on the top does not exist anymore, because these lights here on the top were exclusive to the Ryu Asada NSX, so they have retooled it so it is a more clean, flush look. Here is the base of it. There is your charge port. There is your on-off switch right there. This shouldn't be charged, I would imagine. Oh no, it is. Okay, it is charged up. Okay, I can actually display it. I don't have to charge this up for the video. It has these really nice silver 10-spoke wheels. They look really nice. It's like a dark silver. This is, of course, in spectraflame Auto Blue. You actually have a bit of tampo there on the motor. The interior here is kind of a partial interior. You'll see how it's kind of a... There's like a start of an interior, and then it kind of just stops. So you'll notice how it's, you know, the seats kind of just at some point just vanish. That's because they need space for the battery and the light up components, so some of the interior does get compromised. You still have a little bit in there, but most of it is kind of has been consumed. You have a blacked out hood there. There are the front headlights. There's your Honda badge. Very simplistic graphics on this. It's very clean. The top here is black. The spoiler is a separate piece, and that is also your on-off switch, which I will demonstrate soon. There are the taillights. Lit NSX. Some tampo there on the back for the exhaust. Honda logo. Reflectors on the side. Really, and also the mirrors are a separate piece, and they are black, and they also have a silver. They have some silver printing on the inside. You can kind of see, I'm trying to get it up close with my camera. It's a bit hard, but the mirrors do have a little bit of silver printing. There you go. You can kind of see it. And they are a separate piece. This casting is really nice. It's great to see it back, and now I get to show it off. So, press the back down, and it lights up. You can see the rear tail lights light up. It's going to be a bit hard to see in the sunlight. Headlights are off. So you press it down once, the tail lights turn on, the headlights are off. You press it again. Now the headlights are on. Tail lights still on. Looks really cool. See that lights up. And if you press this again, tail lights turn off, and then you press it again, that turns off. So press it once, tail lights come on. Press it twice, headlights come on. Press it again, headlights come off. Tail light stays on. Press it again. Tail lights are now off. What a cool release. I really like this casting, and I love the light up elements in this. This is completely die cast, so metal base, metal body, and all that stuff. And it's really cool how they have been able to fit this technology in such a small space. The first edition was really cool and an awesome tribute to Ryu. The second version looks really nice and is in a nice blue color, and I dig it a lot. So that is the NSX. Pretty quick video. I thought I would have to cut away and, you know, charge it up, I guess, but not necessary. It's already charged, which is nice for me. It means I don't have to do any real editing for this video. I can just open it, talk about it a little bit. And yeah, really cool release. I do like it a lot. I'm trying to put this packaging back so I can store it later. Really cool release. I'm a big fan of it. Love the lights. And yeah, that is the NSX. Really cool release. I do like this. This is a cool casting and a cool version. It is a bit expensive though because of the technology of the light up stuff, but this is still a really cool release. I like it a lot.